So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what you guys are seeing right now, this is called Refresh Shoe Cleaner. Basically a sneaker cleaner, revise your old kicks. They kind of dirty, they kind of messed up. You can revise them, clean them, protect them with this kit right here. Now, quick little story behind this. Those mall guys got me, man. Those little side booths, they got me. They called me over. I had a pair of Vans on. They were kind of dirty because I ride my skateboard pretty much every day. And they fixed up my sneakers. And I really liked the way I look. And I thought about my Yeezys. So like when I wear my Yeezys, I never wore them to the public yet. I can easily clean them and I can protect them with the spray. So restore, renew, and refresh. So that's what I thought about. And we're going to find out today if it's worth the $50 or not. Now, if you pick it up online, it actually costs $40. So pick it up online, it's a little bit cheaper. Now, I recommend you guys have like some kind of bucket of water because you're going to be using the water a lot. And all you got to do is just take the cleaner / conditioner and you just put it on the brush. Make sure you wet the brush first. Now, I didn't want to brush the top part because it actually makes the sneaker fuzzy. I tried doing that and it just kind of like, it just makes it look weird, like a fuzzy look. Because this is not no ordinary sneaker here, as you guys can see. But I focus on the bottom. As you guys can see, the before is on the left and the after is on the right. Now moving on to the Vans. The Vans are pretty screwed up because that orange part you guys are seeing right now is not the design. That's bleach. So bleach got on these sneakers and there's nothing I can really do with it. But it actually looks pretty cool. You can get away with this. But the bottom part looks pretty dirty. Now after you're done scrubbing up your sneakers, this is step 2 right here. This is the touch up now. Now be very careful with this because that white part can actually get on the side of the sneaker, like the black part you guys can see. So it's really like white out or it's like a paint. It looks really nice. It really does make your sneakers look new again in a sense. Now if you touch up on the wrong areas, you know, mistakes always happen. You can easily take a rag and wipe off the areas where you want to remove the white stuff, the touch-up formula. But you gotta be quick because this stuff dries up really fast, and once it dry up, it's a pain in the butt to actually get it off. And you might have to do step 1 again. Clean it and then do it again. Alright, so now time for the water and stain repellent. Now, this is gonna basically repel water and any kind of stain, so it's gonna protect your sneaker. Now, I'm gonna put that to the test, and real quick, this is just a before and after. So I cleaned up this sneaker. These are the Vans. This is the before, right? So they dirty, grass stains, all of that stains, and it's completely new on the bottom. This is with the kit. So you guys can see it's brand new damn near on the bottom. Now, I can't restore this part, the inside, because it's kind of pulling up the leather. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of messed up in the inside. But the outside, the bottom piece here, is completely clean. Of course, you can wash the laces, but I didn't have no time for that, honestly. You know, it's a good kit, but it's just too expensive. And once again, this is the before, and here's the after. I want to spray this and see if it's gonna actually work. Alright, so now let's put this to the test. Now, before I even put it to the test right away, they recommend you let it sit for, I think they said let material dry for 24 hours before use. So I'm going to let this thing sit, and I'll be back tomorrow. So 24 hours later, I think it is time to do this test. Now, I have a bowl of dirt. Literally a bowl of dirt. Yeah, went outside and got a bowl of dirt. So let's pour a little bit of water. Let's see if it's going to repel the water. So you guys see, like, it's running. Or, yeah, I mean, but it's still wet, though. You get what I'm saying? So I never really understand water repellent stuff. But I see it's gliding off. But I'm pretty sure all sneakers does that. Oh. Wait. Maybe this thing works. But I think if it sits in a period of time, after a while, it's going to wear out. So you see how it's gliding? Some of them are still there. Alright, trying it again. Alright, yeah, I wilded out on that one. So yeah, I mean, it works. It's still going to make your sneaker wet. the water kind of slides off for a second, but if it sits there long enough, it's gonna get wet. And if you look at the light, if you look towards the light closely, you can see the wet marks there. What I'm gonna do with this one, I'm just gonna take the tissue. And can this part wipe off? But maybe a silly test. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I don't know about that. The water repellent stuff works. I'm not sure about the dirt though. I guess like brand new. I'm trying to see if it's gonna create some grass stains. Alright, some areas is grassing up. Like this one here. But this back part here is not budging. Yeah, the grass stain is really not that bad. It is staining up the sneaker, as you guys can see. But some areas is not going. Maybe because that's the sneaker, but I don't know. I'm very, very iffy with this spray. Iffy meaning it's just a gimmick. I mean, for me it doesn't work. Or maybe it does work. But it's just a gimmick. Your sneakers is going to get messed up eventually. If you wear them every day. But, hey, I'm still going to spray it on my sneakers. Maybe I might update this video. But do I recommend this kit for $50? No, I think $50 is a little much. Easily, this kit could probably be like about $20. It should have been a $20 kit, honestly. You're getting the brush. You're getting, not one, you are getting two cleaner conditions. So, I guess that jacks up the price a little bit. But for the most part, it is pretty expensive for a sneaker cleaner. 20 bucks, you can't even beat that. But 50, that's a little much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about it. Would you spend $50 on a shoe cleaner? On my part, it was kind of silly. I don't know why I fell for it. I thought about my Yeezys though. I'm going to live with this for a little bit and I'll make an update video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Drop a like on this video if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe with notifications on. And other than that, your boy Pops. And I'm going to clean all this mess up. And I'm out. Peace.